Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Xbox video recordings from your phone, and this is really easy to do. So what you want to do is get the Xbox application from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Just type in Xbox, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to click this, and then sign in with your email address and password that you use to sign into your Xbox. And this will link all your video recordings and screenshots. So on the bottom here, you can see home. We want to go to the three little dots or the lines down here, and all our video recordings will be on here. So this is my library. We want to go over to captures. Now under captures, we can see our screenshots and our video clips. Find the video clip you want to go ahead and save. So let's click on this one, 59 seconds. I'm playing Fortnite, it looks like. And I got the audio playing here in the background on my phone. But we have the option for share, edit, copy link. We can just copy a link and send it to a friend. We don't even have to save it. But if we go to save right here, we can download this entire thing to my phone. And it's downloading the clip. And then we can share this to Discord, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want to go ahead and do with it. So it's very easy to do. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.